This is a video dedicated to Vim motions I've never heard anybody mention and I just discovered via pressing random buttons every now and then on Vim. First off, we have pressing O in any of the visual modes, which will invert your position in the visual block that you have selected so that you can select behind where you started or after where you ended. Next is Control I and Control O, which take you forward and backward through the jump list respectively. Now, the jump list is a list that anytime you do a jump in Vim, it will be appended in there as a location. Jumps are any movement that take you more than one line at a time, up, down, anywhere, to another file, whatever. Anything that isn't a continuous movement from where you're at in the lines above and below it, or through the line that you're in, is considered a jump. So going to the start of the file, the end of the file, or looking up the definition of a function in a different file or in the same file but in a different location. All of those are in the jump list, and Control O and Control I will navigate you through those. Finally, pressing Control O in insert mode will put you in normal mode for only one keybind, for only one movement. So you can remap everything in insert mode, like the Control I or Control HJKL to move around with this little trick, and you can see it in the background in my file and its demonstration.